I've had my eye on a patio set that could check all the boxes: style, durability, and actual comfort. And I think I finally found one. This 6-piece outdoor dining set by Ahomly isn't just easy on the eyes, it's built to last. The rust and weather-resistant steel frame gives it a solid, steady feel, and the wood grain texture table is chef's kiss for adding that upscale touch without trying too hard. Each chair is made with tightly woven textile fabric, which means it's breathable, quick drying, UV fade resistant, and soft enough to sit in for hours. Honestly, even on hot days, they stay cool and comfy. Now, the set arrived in 2 boxes. One came the first day and the second box arrived the next day. I did hit a small hiccup when assembling the first chair. Mental fog and unclear instructions, they're not a good mix. But shout out to the Ahomly customer support team. I reached out and within minutes, they walked me through it, fast, friendly, and super helpful. Now, once it was all set up, it totally transformed my patio. The sleek frame and breathable chairs made it perfect for everything from morning coffee to afternoon dinner parties. And for a townhome dweller like me, storage is a win. All 6 chairs stack neatly into my guest room bedroom closet. Yes, really. And the table slides easily into my garage with bins stacked on top of it. So I love that it's durable, it's versatile, and surprisingly easy to live with. This is one of those buys I'd recommend again and again. If you're trying to level up your outdoor space without sacrificing comfort or style, this is the move.